Adug Augustine Ajun. I'm an actor, a member of Brown Eyes Production to be precise. Okay, I participated in this wonderful piece, this movie titled My Domestic Staff. Yeah. And I interpreted the character Sonia. Sonia is a young lady, chief's daughter, the only daughter. Yeah. Sonia, as a young lady and from a wealthy family, has everything to herself. Honestly, she has been pampered to a fault. She has everything, when I say everything, to herself. She commands the maids around, the cook is there, the cleaner, you know, everything is at her beck and call. She doesn't do anything. So that's the character I interpreted. I want you to prepare a bread toast and a glass of tea for my breakfast.
But that is not what we have from our menu this morning.
How dare you challenge me?
I'm not challenging you.
Jane, are you out of your mind?
I've already prepared coconut rice and salad.
What is wrong with you? You argue too much. Go ahead and do what I asked you to do.
But what will I do with the coconut rice and salad I've already said?
You can do whatever you choose to do with it. That's your business, not mine. Okay?
I've heard you.
And next time, wait till I tell you what to do before you do, else you won't like me.
Wow. There's nothing Chinyere will not see in this house.
This very character is not really easy because you know no character is easy to interpret based on the fact that this is not you. This is something you want to fit yourself into. This is something you're trying to display, like interpret. You know, you want to make it look real at the same time. Yeah, so I won't say it's that easy, but because this is something I've been doing. Sonia, in this particular piece, has the support of her mom to all that she does. Despite that the dad is not really in full support of what she's doing, you know, like disrespecting the maids and all that. But the mom always supports her without minding the impact of what she was doing to this girl. She would insult the gate man, everybody. So, and this at the end now had to, it displayed a negative impact on Sonia. You can imagine that a young lady at her age, a young lady of that age don't know how to cook. She can't clean the house, she can't do anything. I want to say that to every family, despite how wealthy you are, despite how rich you are, giving a child that free hand is not good. It's not good. She wants this, you give to her. She wants that, you give to her. You wouldn't know you're spoiling that child. That is not, it's not training at all. It is not training. So this is what my mom in this very movie was doing. And at the end, I would say she regretted, yes. She did.
Sonia, darling. Sonia.
Mom.
Oh, Sonia, darling.
I missed you.
I miss you too. Sonia girl.
Yes, Mom.
Could you please help me do the dishes in the kitchen?
What of Chine, Mommy?
Don't mind that stupid girl. She has resigned.
What?
Sending me your father comes back.
Daddy, to come and do what?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't blame them anyway. It is your father that supports them in everything they do. He cites them.
I keep saying this. Look at the results now.
Could you please help me do them?
Mommy, no, I can't do that. I can't, Mommy. You didn't teach me how to do all this. That dirty water will damage my skin.
Oh, yes you can.
Mommy, please, you know I can't do this, Mommy.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Have I failed as a mother?
Concerning the challenges in this movie, there was no more challenge. Just the weather. You know, this is rainy season and something is nature, so you can possibly exclude that. So the weather is there, and we did our best moving from one location to the other. They are parts of the production. It's something we've been doing before. I would want to commend the crew. They did a good job. They worked in unity. They were really united. Everybody knows what to do at any point in time. It's not like shouting, recommending this one, or reminding this one, go and do this. Everybody is flowing. It really made the production easier. I would say, I will give a shout out to everyone. I can't mention all their names, already from the director. I'm saying shout out to the director, the production manager, the DOP, he handled the camera, he did well. And to my fellow artists, everybody did wonderfully well. And I won't recommend this movie to every home. To every home, this is a must watch. So that you know that whatever training you're giving to your child will have a part to play in that child's life tomorrow. If you're giving a negative one, it will come to play. If it is positive, definitely it will come to play. So this movie is a must watch for every home.